mob, wet mob, 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 mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob. What it do, broski? Yo, look, straight off the bat, man. It's so much heat in this box, like it got the whole third floor hot. Like I'm sweating already, man. Major shout out to my brother J Raw, man. My little bro is killing it right now. The dopest customizer in the game. You know what I'm saying? Family. Definitely got mob ties. Bro, shout out to your big homie, man. Shout out to the big homie Saucy E Kicks, you know what I'm saying? The big homie Air, bro. You know what I mean? We linked up off of the music. He really fucked with my music hard. You know what I'm saying? He introduced me to the homie J Raw. And shit, bro, it was history ever since, man. They really showed love. You know what I'm saying? Sent the piece to the mob museum. You know what I mean? I think this one right here gonna take us to the next level, bro. Like, look, it's serious right now, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, so for real, without a further ado, let me get that major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, man. You know what I'm saying? And with that being said, for them trolls in the comment box, 3 quick rules to these videos that I make. You know what I'm saying? Rule number 1, I bought this motherfucking camera. I'm uploading what I feel like, when the fuck I feel like, and I'm trying to do it daily. You feel me? Fucks with me. If I miss a day, my bad. Rule number 2, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no right or wrong way to these YouTube videos, bro. It's YouTube. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Rule number 3, if you don't like my video, get the fuck on, bitch. I don't want you nowhere near around here. But man, look, that's just specifically for the trolls in the comment box. For the trolls and the trolls only. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing but love over here, man. The mafia is my family. You know what I mean? That's what that mean to me, bro. That's all, nothing more, nothing less. So please, please hit that subscribe button. Oh my God, I'm sweating like crazy. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got big goals, man, trying to hit 50K by the end of the year, bro. I need y'all help, man, please. Like, comment, subscribe, share to you motherfuckers too, man. But yeah, bro. Fuck all that little wrestling, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into it, bro. This right here, bro. This one for the kill the game, man. Like, I'm the only person on earth with this shoe. Nobody got these, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I think, yeah, the only place you gonna see these is here, bro. For now. Broski, Jay, if you listen, I wouldn't make no more than 10 of these janks, you know? You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't make no more but 10. I opened it from the bottom because I had my address on the top, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. Jordan 1 box. Oh bro, it got a signature on the swoosh. Yo. It got a signature on the swoosh, bro. That's what you see that right there? Yeah. Got a sig on the swoosh. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Leave your mark, bro. Oh man. Check him out. The base for this shoe was a yin yang, I think. I'm gonna pop a screenshot up. You know what I'm saying? Oh bro, my size 10. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh gosh, hello. God almighty, bro. Hey. Y'all see that? Y'all see this? Hello, I'm getting all the way out the frame. Hold on, man. Do y'all see this, bro? Fuck with me, dog. Oh, man. And he got me right with the traction pads on the bottom. Oh man, the sole protected up. Already gonna stay icy. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. You didn't have to do this, bro. I wanted to make sure, like, when you put them in the mail, I was gonna be ready for them. And they touched down safely. That was the only thing. But bro, I understand you did not have to do this. Yo, this paint job is A1. Check me out, bro. I'm good money, ain't I? Oh man. Killed it on the tongue. It ain't too stiff. Oh, bro. I gotta go buy them inserts, bro. I gotta go buy the, see if I can find me some shadow backboard inserts on eBay. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Y'all let me know if I should do a hide lace on these joints right here, bro. Yeah, you killed it. Oh my gosh. And the best part of all, that's what's gonna kill the game right there. I don't think them boys ever seen, y'all ever seen it? Yeah. Big Fragment logo on there. You know what I'm saying? Friends and family. The idea came from, I ain't gonna fake. I seen a past shadows, the past shadow ones, and somebody had dropped the Fragment stamp on them, and I thought that was so ill. You know what I'm saying? I had already told Broski to cook me up a pair of shadow backboards, cause you know what I'm saying? I got the reverse. Hold on. Bam, got the reverse. As y'all can see, got these from Soul Food. They good money, all that. But man, I needed the OG. And now I finally got them, you know what I'm saying? But it got this though. Ooh, hold on, cuz. Yeah. Oh my God, that is crazy, bro. That is crazy. Damn, you bought it these, bro. Let me check out the other one. Paint job is on point, man. Damn, he went in on the paint job, bro. These joints look A1. Check them out. Like, hold on. Man, is that gonna be a crazy thumbnail or what? Oh my gosh. No, I'm speechless, bro. Like, straight up, I really don't even know what to say. Like, let y'all get up close, see all the crevices and creases, corners and curves on this jump, man. Like, my bro really bodied that paint job, man. And I'm gonna let you people up close in 4K. Hold on, turning around with the, put that thigh out on the outside. You know what I'm saying? Bro hit it with that thigh out right there, you know what I mean? But, yeah, man. If you're new to the sneaker game, you know what I'm saying? If you have no idea what's going on right now, this little sign appeared on the Air Jordan 1. They're called the Fragment ones. And it's like a black toe with some blue on it. You know what I'm saying? This is the blue version of the black toe Air Jordan 1s. But it just got that slapped on the heel. Super duper hyped ass motherfucking shoe. You know what I'm saying? Now, you probably heard talks and, you know what I'm saying, you probably heard stories of how amazing and how crazy the quality of leather on this shoe is, because yeah, it's like that, bro. It's not a myth, it's not a game, it's really crazy like that, you know what I'm saying? But oh my God, the shattered backboard one, that's another crazy hyped ass motherfucking shoe, man. Like, A lot of top tier sneakerheads got this shoe in their collection. And I would say literally only the elite, top notch, you know what I'm saying? Top of the line sneakerhead got the Fragment ones in their collection. Not just no random YouTuber gonna have the Fragment ones, you know what I'm saying? Not even the ones over 1,000, 100,000 subscribers got Fragments like that. It ain't too many that got the Fragments, and if they did have them, they probably sold them. Respectively so, I would have did the same shit. No lie, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, to mash it up and put it together, you know what I'm saying? If this not the dopest shoe of all time, then bro, I don't know what the fuck is. And not to mention it's my actual junior high school, well, you know what I'm saying, my 7th through 9th grade school I attended through the 9th grade where I lost my virginity, smoked my first bleezy, you know what I'm saying, my first everything went down, you know what I'm saying, during the time when I was going to the school with this color scheme, that orange, that black, and that white, you know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, Rockin' junior high, the Rockets, you know what I'm saying. Hey, and it's still fuck Hampton. Now I'm playing. I fuck with them niggas out there in Hamlet, man. Shout out my nigga Poop, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, shout out my nigga Poop Love for real. But that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day, bro. And trust me, I'm gonna pull these shoes out and hit y'all with a story time from that time, cause some lit ass times, my dog. Like, I ain't gonna fake with you, you know what I'm saying. But bro, Jay, look, man, yo, I'm so fucking grateful, my guy. Trust me, this means the entire world to me. I think this is the dopest shit, the dopest shoe in my collection as of now, hands down, easy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you just killed my whole collection with this custom, bro. Like, I think you just put me on the map, bro. I think you really just stamped and solidified the Mob Museum with, like, you know what I'm saying, some real one-of-one classic shit, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna do a more thorough review, you know what I'm saying, try to be a professional, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna call it the professional review or some shit, but this is just my raw reactions, uncut, you know what I'm saying. My nigga, you killed this shit, bro, on the Mob, man. Thank you so much. As soon as it's a good, clear, sunny day, bro, you know I'm going all the way in on the visuals. But yeah, thank you, bro, for real. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you, my guy. Like, but yeah, man, that's it. That's enough, man. From my family to yours, bro. It is all love, man. Thank every last one of y'all, all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, man. Please hit that subscribe button for your boy so y'all can see me hit these goals by the end of the year. We gotta hit that 50K on the Mob, bro. Salute.
Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob.